Hey, this is Braden at Vogt RV Super Center. Today we're going to check out a Jayco J-Feather Micro 199 MBS. There's some pretty unique features about this small, lightweight travel trailer that'll get you anywhere you need to go out in the wilderness. All right, so first, the Micro Series, a little bit lifted higher than our standard J-Feathers, has nicer off-road tires, but it still has all the amenities that your full-size J-Feather is going to have. Now that comes with vacuum bonded laminate walls. That's 144 tons of pressure laminating these walls to prevent delamination. And something very, very important is we got Azdel in these walls. Now that Azdel is going to help prevent any sort of liquid from getting behind the laminate to cause delamination. And we're also got climate shielded walls. So structurally, this is going to be one of the most comfortable trailers that you can get in. From anywhere from 0 to 100 degrees, it's going to function just fine according to Jayco. Now we got magnet latch storage doors with slam latches. And check out that pass-through storage. You got plenty of space in there to store all of your gear when you're going out on a long trip. We got rock solid stabilizers. That's much better than your standard scissor jacks. Just take a power drill to this and it's going to come right down, and it's going to make the unit much more stable and comfortable to walk in without that front and back sway motion that you get on your scissor jacks. We're prepped for side cameras and a rear camera on the Jayco. It can be ordered with those installed, or we can easily install them here at Vogt RV Super Center for you. Come around here. This is your potable water. For those of you who want to get off the grid camping, the J-Feather Micro is perfect for that. We got a 55-gallon fresh water tank that this leads right into. We got a full side awning out here. So we got plenty of shade on the sunny Texas day with LED strips. And check out, we got a marine grade speakers out here so you can have a wonderful camping experience. Set up your TV on this bracket, do whatever you want to do in the outdoors. Over here we got our outside kitchen. On the J-Feathers we actually got metal bottom kitchen, so you don't have to worry about water getting in anywhere, getting in the way, causing any water damage. Got a good sized fridge for your snacks, and you got a nice pull out tray with your 17-inch griddle on it. Heading around the back, we got a climbable ladder for Jayco's walkable roof. The roof can hold 4,500 pounds. It's a residential grade roof. Right here we got a 60,000 BTU hot water heater, much stronger, much more effective than the 42,000 hot water heaters that are standard. We even got a 2-inch receiver hitch for those of you pulling around bikes or anything else on your trips. Come around to the other side. They really take into mind that you're going to be backing up and camping in some inconvenient spots, so they put all your hookups in the similar area. So you got city water connection and your electric connections right there and accessible to you, and you've got a single dump right here. And look at this, you got a sewer hose compartment built into the bottom of the unit. We've got a heated and closed underbelly on our climate shielded J-Feathers. This does have that. Got even more storage over here. Keep walking around. Here's the other side of that pass-through. Heading around front, we got two 20-pound LP tanks and a power tongue jack on the unit. All right, now that we've seen the outside, let's head inside and see what else we can take a look at. Now we're on the inside of this 199 MBS. This floor plan has plenty of space to sleep. You can get 2 here, 2 there, and 2 in each bunk if you really wanted. So look how easy this Murphy bed is to fold up and put down. One arm, just put this couch piece back together, and now we've got plenty of seating space. Heading over here into the kitchen, we have seamless countertops, 3-burner stovetop, covered deep sink, and oversized cabinets and drawers. And now Jayco's quality on their cabinets and drawers is second to none. It's all real wood, all screwed and glued, no staples. All the drawers pull out 100% of the way. So they go all out on these drawer latches so that they don't stop about 75 or 50% like some of their competitors. We got the convection microwave in here instead of having the oven. And we got an 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. We've got some solar on board too that's going to make sure that your fridge stays cold and your lights stay on while you're pulling down the road. Heading over to the bunks, we got 2 double bunks in this floor plan, each rated for 600 pounds. And the J-Feather comes with this convenient bunk ladder for your kiddos so they can climb up safely. If you want to fold up this bottom bunk, you can even have some storage down here for any of the other toys that you couldn't fit on that hitch on the back of the unit. Got a good sized bathroom in this micro. All Jayco's put a piece of plywood underneath the shower pan, so it's actually really sturdy and you don't get any of that sinking and bowing feeling whenever you stand in the shower. And you got plenty of space to sit, shower, and do everything you need to do comfortably out on the road. This is that 30 amp solar controller that is built for that 200 watt panel we have on top that's going to keep everything running efficiently. We're also prepped for an inverter on this unit. Then on this unit we also have this U-shaped dinette. They know with all the sleeping space you're probably traveling with a group, so there's plenty of space for everyone to eat together. Thank you guys for watching our video and checking out this Jay-Feather Micro. Come on out and see it. It's actually the last one we have available on our lot, and I'd love to see you guys come out and take a look at it in person. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see future videos with us.